Our protocol details a convenient one-pot preparation and copper-mediated conjugate addition of functionalized monoorganozinc bromides to cyclic alpha-beta-unsaturated carbonyls for the synthesis of quaternary centers in high yield. A significant advantage to this method involves the use of dimethylacetamide to facilitate organozinc formation from widely accessible functionalized organobromides.
To begin, add zinc dust, DMA, and iodine to a flame-dried 50 ml Schlinger reaction flask containing a stir bar under argon. Stir the suspension at ambient temperature until the brownish-orange color completely dissipates to a gray suspension. Add ethyl 4-bromobutyrate to the gray suspension. Immerse the flask in an 80°C oil bath with vigorous stirring until consumption of the organobromide is observed by gas chromatography or GC analysis. Briefly dip a disposable glass Pasteur pipette into the reaction mixture and remove from the flask. Rinse the aliquot with approximately 0.5 ml of diethyl ether into a 2 ml vial containing approximately 0.5 ml of saturated ammonium chloride. Vigorously shake the vial and analyze the organic layer by GC. After cooling the monoorganozinc reagent to ambient temperature, the reagent can be stored for several hours to overnight under inert atmosphere with minimal impact on the yield of the conjugate addition product. For monoorganozinc bromide conjugate addition to alpha-beta unsaturated ketones, first cool the organozinc suspension in an ice water bath for approximately 5 minutes. Then, add copper bromide.